Hey y'all, it's Betsy, and today we have a fun video. It's going to be our August 2020 BoxyCharm Premium unboxing. Now, I subscribe to BoxyCharm, Ipsy. I did skip Ipsy for this month, and I did cancel the regular BoxyCharm subscription because I was just getting way too much stuff. But I did keep the premium version, and this is $35 a month. I pay for this myself. And I like getting subscriptions boxes, just sometimes it does get too much, and that's part of the thing is you can change it on an as needed basis. Now, before we jump into the products that are in this box, I will go ahead and tell you what is on my eyes. This is the Pat McGrath Mothership Volume 1, I think it's Sublime palette that I'm wearing. So, let's jump into it. So as you can see, it comes boxed like this. I did cut the tape, but that's the only thing that I did. And then when you open her up, it looks like this, and I can already see some goodies. And the card does give you the retail value of all of the products that are in it. Now, one thing I will tell you, if you hear some noise in the background, that is from the direct-to-garment printer going. So I'm sorry if it's bugging you, but I can't do much about it. So to start off, I got a MAC Cosmetics satin lipstick, and this is in the shade Verve, kind of like the Verve pipe, and these retail for $19. Let's open it up and look at the color, see if that's even something I want to keep, because if I'm looking at it from the box, it looks very dark, and y'all know I typically stick to a nude lipstick, but you know, that's not bad. But this does, I don't know if you can tell on camera, there's some major texture going on this lipstick. I will probably throw that away because I mean, look at that. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but it's very bubbly. So I will probably just trash that because that looks old, and it may be. So, or the heat got to it, which again, I ain't messing with that. Next up is the Milk Makeup Longwear Gel Eyeliner. This is in the shade CEO. I will keep this because this is just what I use in my waterline all the time, and it is a brown instead of a black. So that's kind of exciting. Let's see the consistency. Oh, that is a nice, look how, I like that consistency. Very much so. Oh, it's dual-ended. Or no, it's to blend it out. So, that's kind of neat. It's a smudger. So, I like that. I will wear that. Next up, this is from Sunday Riley. This is the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. So it is pretty much a moisturizer with vitamin C. And Sunday Riley, and this MSRP is for $65. Sunday Riley is extremely expensive, and I am excited to have that. I don't know if it told you how much the Melt makeup pencil retailed for is $22. So it looks like this. The packaging on this is nice. And it slides out like this. And there it is. I'm not going to open it up yet because I'm using another moisturizer right now, but I am very excited to have this and try it out. And it does come with one of the little, it's not really a little spatula to be able to apply it so you don't contaminate it. So that I am excited to try. And I'll let you know how I like it whenever I go through and empty these. I also got the Daily Concepts for dry brushing. So this is what you use to kind of exfoliate your skin. Natural bristle brush, and this retails for $18. What else? I got the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Translucent, and it's $33. And I just finished off a powder. I finished off the Peach Perfect powder by Too Faced. So, and I like that powder, even though I don't use powders very much anymore. So I am excited. Let's see if I can get a little bit. And so, oh, that has a nice silky smooth consistency, and it doesn't smell like anything, so I like that. that I will miss if I get out in the rain or sweating and get some of my face to melt in my mouth, because the Peach Perfect tasted like peaches, just in case you're wondering. And then last but not least is the Ciate London Editor Palette. And this is $32. It says inspired by New England in the fall. So it is an eyeshadow palette in fall colors. So we'll see if we'll open her up. The packaging is cute. And I don't think I've ever tried Ciate London eyeshadows. So that's actually kind of a cute palette. I am very excited to try that out. So, all in all, this month's box was pretty good. The only thing that I'm not gonna keep for myself is the MAC lipstick, and I'm throwing that away because that texture on there, yeah, no, we ain't playing that game. Now this video is going up early because tomorrow on Friday hopefully my package will get here early enough so I can shoot a video over. I have some eyeshadow palettes coming from ZC that I was excited about that I haven't seen anybody else review, so I wanted to try them out. But I guess that's it. Don't forget to check me out on all my social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. But we shall see y'all tomorrow. Bye.